Dumplings are a culinary cornerstone across Asia, uniting cultures through shared love for bite-sized delights. From steamed Jiaozi in China to crispy Gyoza in Japan, each region adds its unique twist. In 2023, the global dumpling market was valued at $3.2 billion, reflecting their universal appeal. This video explores how these pocket-sized wonders evolved, their regional identities, and the secrets behind their irresistible flavors. Join us on a journey through bustling night markets, where dumplings reign supreme. Dumplings trace back over 1,100 years to China's Han Dynasty, where Jiaozi were prescribed as medicinal food. Archaeologists found well-preserved dumplings in Xinjiang, dating to the Tang Dynasty, 618 to 907 AD. The Silk Road spread dough-wrapped recipes to Central Asia, evolving into Momo and Mandu. Historical texts like the Qimin Yaoshu detail early folding techniques. These humble beginnings laid the foundation for Asia's diverse dumpling tapestry. Asia's dumplings wear many names, reflecting local languages and histories. China's Jiaozi, Korea's Mandu, Japan's Gyoza, Jiaozi, and Nepal's Momo each signal distinct identities. The term Gyoza derives from the Chinese Jiaozi, adapted post-War II. In Mongolia, dumplings are called buz, while Uzbekistan boasts manti. This linguistic mosaic mirrors trade routes and cultural exchanges that shaped regional cuisines. The perfect wrapper balances texture and flexibility. Northern China favors wheat-based dough for chewy jiaozi, while southern regions use thinner, translucent rice wrappers. Korean mandu often incorporates sweet potato starch for elasticity. In Tibet, momo dough is hand-kneaded with yak butter for richness. Pro tip: resting dough for 30 minutes prevents tearing during folding. These variations create everything from delicate hagao to robust pan-fried pot stickers. Dumpling fillings reflect local agriculture and tastes. Pork cabbage is classic in North China, while shrimp dominates Cantonese dim sum. Korean kimchi mandu packs a spicy punch, and Himalayan momo features yak meat or lentils. Vegetarian options, like tofu watercress fillings, thrive in Buddhist communities. A 2022 survey showed 68% of chefs innovate with hybrid fillings, like duck confit gyoza or truffle-infused jiaozi, blending tradition with modernity. Folding is an art. Each pleat tells a story. Jiaozi feature crescent shapes with 12-plus pleats for luck, while Korean mandu favor simple half-moon seals. Gyoza are tightly crimped for maximum crispness when pan-fried. Momo often resemble little purses with twisted tops. In Taiwan, soup dumplings, xiaolongbao, require 18 precise folds to trap broth. Mastering these techniques ensures texture and flavor harmony in every bite. Cooking method transforms texture and taste. Steaming preserves delicate fillings, e.g. shrimp hagao, in bamboo baskets. Pan-frying creates gyoza's iconic crispy lace skirt, while deep-frying yields Korean mandu's golden crunch. Boiling is ideal for hearty jiaozi, often served in broth. Air frying has gained popularity for low-oil alternatives. Each technique requires precise heat control, steam at 100 degrees Celsius, fry at 180 degrees Celsius, to achieve perfection. Korean mandu bridges royal banquets and street eats. Originating from 14th century Goryeo dynasty, they were stuffed with pheasant for nobility. Today, kimchi mandu reign, with 40% of Seoul vendors offering spicy versions. Gun mandu are crispy crowd pleasers, while mul mandu swim in anchovy broth. Busan's wang mandu, king-sized, weigh up to 200 grams each. South Koreans consume over 2 billion mandu annually, a testament to their enduring love. Japan's gyoza culture thrives in izakayas and home kitchens. Introduced post-War II by Chinese immigrants, they're now a national obsession, with 300-plus dedicated chains. Filling blends pork, cabbage, and garlic for umami richness. The yaki gyoza style, pan-fried, then steamed, creates a crispy base and tender top. Fun fact, Utsunomiya City boasts 200 gyoza restaurants and an annual festival. Pairing with cold beer makes gyoza a quintessential social food. Jiaozi are Lunar New Year's edible lucky charms. Their shape resembles ancient gold ingots, symbolizing prosperity. Families gather to fold dumplings together, a tradition fostering unity. Northern China eats boiled jiaozi at midnight, while southerners prefer pan-fried. The world's largest jiaozi, made in Henan, 2019, weighed 480 kilograms. Beyond festivals, jiaozi are everyday comfort food, with regional riffs like Xi'an's sour soup dumplings or Shanghai's soup-filled tangbao. Momo, Nepal's beloved street food, reflects Tibetan influences. Introduced by Nuar traders in the 1950s, they're now a national icon. Steamed Momo dominate, but kothi, half-fried, offer textural contrast. Fillings range from buffalo meat to paneer, paired with fiery achar chutney. In Kathmandu, Momo stalls outnumber traffic lights, 10-1. Everest climbers often fuel up with Momo. Their high calories and spice combat freezing temperatures. Sauces elevate dumplings from great to extraordinary. China's black vinegar ginger blend cuts through richness, while Japan's ponzu adds citrusy brightness. Korean chuk, soy vinegar, balances Mandu's heat, and Nepal's tomato-based achar brings fire. Pro tip: mix soy sauce with sesame oil and chili flakes for a versatile dip. In 2021, a Tokyo study found 73% of diners customize sauces, proof that personalization is key to dumpling enjoyment. Dumplings straddle street food hustle and homey warmth. Vendors optimize for speed. Taipei's Dumpling King folds 6 Jiaozi per second. Home cooks, however, prioritize family recipes. Grandmothers in Shandong pass down secret dough ratios, while Korean moms teach kimchi mandu tricks. The rise of frozen dumplings, $8.7 billion global market, bridges both worlds, offering convenience without sacrificing tradition. Whether grabbed on the go or savored at home, dumplings nourish body and soul. Chefs worldwide are reinventing dumplings. NYC's Nomwa serves lobster caviar har gao, while London's Yawacha crafts truffle edamame gyoza. Vegan innovations like Beyond Meat Momo cater to 21% growth in plant-based demand, 2023. Tech plays a role too. Tokyo's Auto Gyoza machine produces 2,400 hour. Yet purists argue innovation must respect roots. The best fusions, like kimchi poutine dumplings, balance novelty with homage to tradition. From ancient trade routes to TikTok trends, dumplings embody Asia's culinary resilience. They've fed emperors and migrants, survived wars, and adapted to diets. Today, 8-10 Asians recall learning to fold dumplings from elders, a cultural inheritance. As globalization spreads these pockets of joy, their essence remains. Simple ingredients, transformed by care into communal happiness. So next time you savor a dumpling, remember, you're biting into history.